Yfm110R. The Yfm110R may be built with your minis in mind, but it's massive on features, many found on larger Yamaha models, including double A-arm independent front suspension, a rear disc brake, CVT transmission and electric start. For older kids who are ready for a step up on their ATV journey, the Yfm110R combines plenty of punch and an exciting ride with parental controls and a low-maintenance, stress-free design. It gives 10-year-olds and above a taste of the real deal. #DriveInToVictory. Reinspiring a new generation of racers. The Yfm110R balances the impressive power and responsiveness of a 112 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine with features to give you total peace of mind. A simple TCI plug-in adjusts engine power to suit different riding abilities, while a handlebar parking brake means the Yfm110R stays exactly where you left it. Easy to use, fun to ride and simple to maintain, the Yamaha Yfm110R is the clear choice for responsible adults, and with its Yfm700R racer-inspired styling, this mini version of a grown-up ATV has got to be at the top of every kid's wish list. Punch with parental control. The 112 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine provides plenty of power to excite older and more experienced rider, while simple parental controls allow you to dial down the output for less confident riders. Electric start. Start U is as effortless handling and maintenance are. No need to worry as the backup kickstart, stored under the seat of the Yfm110R, sprigs into life. It's ideal for leaner riders from 10 years old. Forward, neutral and reserve. The Yfm110R is equipped with AF/N/R gears lever, allowing for extra rider convenience. Long travel adjustable suspension. Long travel suspension help keep tires in contact with the ground, even on undulating terrain. Independent front suspension means that the movement of one wheel is not affected by that of the other. This improves handling by allowing the Yfm110R to track across bumpy terrain more accurately and smoothly for increased end control. With chassis and great ground clearance. Compact engine design and long travel suspension keep Yamaha ATVs riding high over rough ground. A wide chassis ensures great stability. Strong skid plates help to protect ATV engine and chassis from damage if an obstacle is encountered. Ergonomic design. Piloting of ATV brings an unusual combination of muscles into play. The Yfm110R is designed to accommodate riders of variant sizes and weight from age 10 and upwards. Low maintenance engine. Kids want an ATV that's ready for them to use, whenever they feel like it. The Yfm110R uses an 112 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, four-stroke engine that's been specially designed to require minimal maintenance and provide maximum reliability. Power transmission is via a reliable chain drive system.